Well, another successful pub bike ride to Freddy. Beautiful day. Nice and sunny. Well, hope I make it back home before it gets dark. Toodaloo. Hello. Just me racing against the sun. Trying to get home before it's dark. Didn't bring a headlamp, but I got lots of time. Took a shortcut. Took the main road. Should make it in time, no problem. Hello. Almost there. It's getting dark. This is where my cleats, tire with studs, are coming in super handy. Can't wait to get home. My feet are cold. Il commence à faire fret en tabarouette. Just 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. Well, made it before the sunset. Sun's just below the horizon, below the tree horizon. The tree line, I should say. Had about half an hour to spare. 45 kilometers. It's a good pub ride today. It was like around -3. Used this beautiful bike, the Surly Ghost. Had some studded tires that I put on this morning. Really useful on the trail. There's a few icy bits. Took the road on the way back though. I wouldn't have made it in time if it wasn't for that. Whew. Feet are cold. Well, that's it for today. Tomorrow's Monday. It's work day. No more play. Toodaloo. See you around.